Today we are going to start our Romero Brito drawings. So what we're going to do is I printed out many different coloring sheets of Romero Brito's artwork, and you can see his motifs of polka dots, hearts, lines, flowers in all of these different things that he created. What we're going to do is we are going to come up with a sketch inside of our sketchbook of what we want our landscape to look like. We can use these coloring sheets for inspiration. So what we're going to do is we're going to put those aside. We are going to take our sketchbook and we're going to turn it into landscape. We are then going to create some hills at the bottom, just kind of bumpy hills. We would like a sun. The sun is going to be setting somewhere. So I'm going to put my sun setting right here. This is going to be my sun. I'm going to just make it a little bolder right now so that I know that this is my sun. And then I'm going to have rays coming out of the sun. I'm not going to give you a ruler for this because this is practice and because Romero Brito's artwork is not perfect. And the squiggly lines or the lines that maybe look straight don't have to be exactly straight. After we get to this point and you draw a few rays, then I want you to think about what you're going to put inside. Okay, you can create two different motifs. You can go with a star motif or a heart motif. In this picture that he created, there's hearts. So there's hearts that are repeated throughout. There's some big ones and small ones. In mine, what I did was I decided to go with a star motif. So I have stars in mine. So you're going to decide if you would like stars or hearts. And you are going to draw them all different sizes. Then you're going to take each of the rays and draw a design. So let's just copy exactly what is here. So I'm going to do a heart, maybe here, maybe I'm going to do another heart here, another heart here. Now to help you, I do have star stencils. However, I do not have heart stencils. So it depends on your motif of what you would like to do. If you have another idea for a motif that you would like to repeat throughout, and it's not hearts or stars, you let me know and we'll talk through it. After you get your motif down, then I want you to start playing around with all of these different patterns that he plays with. He likes polka dots and flowers and stripes. See there again, stripes, flowers, polka dots, hearts, stripes, polka dots, more flowers, and he does these kind of like squiggly lines. The same thing here, and the same thing in his cat. So now you get to decide which you are going to do. Now remember that this is just a sketch. So sketches are quickly done. It's an idea before I give you good paper. This doesn't have to be perfect. It is just a little sketch. But one thing I do want you to notice is any kind of motif that he does, he brings it to the edge of the picture. So if I'm going to do these flower motifs, I don't want to just keep them completely whole. I would want to draw half of them in some areas. This actually creates space in your drawings, and it makes your drawings look more professional. So say I want to take polka dots, and let's look at another one over here. Say I want to do polka dots. You see the polka dots, they get cut off by the edge of the circle or the edge of the line. So in here maybe I would like to do polka dots. I'm going to draw them completely up to the line. This again creates space and makes it look professional. Once you've completed your entire sketch, you like how it looks, then you're going to come to Mrs. Ford for a good piece of paper, and I will explain the techniques of moving to good paper soon.